सबसे पहले तो अच्छी मूवी है, देख लो। लोका चैप्टर 1 चंद्रा इज एन एम्बिशियस सुपर हीरो मलयालम फिल्म। मैं आज देख कर आया इंग्लिश सबटाइटल्स के साथ। ओके, सो देयर हैज बीन अ हैंडफुल ऑफ सुपर हीरो मूवीज फ्रॉम इंडिया। दिस फिल्म मार्क्स मलयालम सिनेमा's first female-led superhero movie, advancing the industry's foray into ambitious, high-concept storytelling. On one end of the spectrum, we have had those films that are excruciatingly painful to sit through, the kind that are unintentionally hilarious. You know, the ones you would put on during a late night hangout with your friends just to get really high and laugh at how ridiculously bad they are. On the other end, we have had big ticket experiments, massive budgets, the country's biggest stars, VFX teams working overtime. The films end up looking spectacular on the surface, but the story usually fumbles, leaving the whole experience hollow. But Loka doesn't fall into either of those categories. It doesn't try to cash in on star power or hide behind glossy visuals, nor does it fall into a not so bad it's good territory. Instead, it manages to carve out its own space, ambitious in scale, yes, but also grounded in storytelling, local culture, and strong performances. It treats the superhero genre not as a gimmick, but as a real lived-in world with human emotions at its core. As this is the first in the line of chain, movie में majorly character introductions, world expansion, history और थोड़ी बहुत origin की बात करी है। चंद्रा नाम की एक लड़की है, उसकी जिंदगी शिफ्ट हो रही है बेंगलुरु, लेकिन चंद्रा कोई नॉर्मल लड़की नहीं है। वो एक पावरफुल सुपर नेचुरल बीइंग है जो केरला के फोक लोर से जुड़ी हुई है। जब डार्क फोर्सेस सामने आते हैं तब वो अपनी असली रूप दिखाती है और वो एक प्रोटेक्टर का काम करती है। फिल्म का वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग एंड फोकलोर बेस्ड स्टोरी टेलिंग इसको अलग बनाता है और साथ ही साथ किक स्टार्ट करता है एक बड़ा वेफेयर सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स। ये इसका पहला चैप्टर MCU, DCU, LCU, SCU और MCU के बाद आ रहा है नया CU, वेफेयर सिनेमैटिक universe. With the modest budget of just 30 crores, the movie never feels like it's cutting corners or cheaping out on production. Frames look decent. The film makes a very good attempt at VFX. Impressive for the most part, though it doesn't always hit the absolute best standard. There are some moments that will genuinely surprise you plot-wise, and few other aspects where you can see the limitations due to low budget. But overall, it doesn't pull you out of the story. It is perfect. Guys, the real suspense of this movie actually unfolds in the second half of the movie that instantly make this different from the usual superhero flick. First half, you feel like it's a solid superhero movie, but after the interval, the film suddenly takes a turn in a direction you would never even guess. Characters are not forgettable. Performances भी सबकी सही लगी मुझे. मेरे favorites थे इंस्पेक्टर, नचियापा, सनी और वीनू. Background score is on point. जो scenes में score hit करना चाहिए वहाँ करता है. The suspense is mindfully built with the story. कोई भी songs नहीं है movie में. That's a good thing. Action sequence में इतना मजा नहीं आया मुझे, बट चलता है यार, they're trying their best. हम VFX shots पर poorly rendered वो दिख रहा था स्क्रीन पर क्या बच्चे की जान लोगे 30 करोड़ में? Also be prepared क्योंकि फर्स्ट हाफ के बाद कैमियोस की बारिश होने वाली है। हाँ, और पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन देखना मत भूलना क्योंकि there is a big reveal at the end. Overall बढ़िया मूवी, 6.5. A highly risky project in the current entertainment industry जहाँ पे सुपर हीरोज की बिल्कुल कमी नहीं है. The superhero fatigue at the global level is at the record high, but somehow this one managed to be a breath of fresh air. Malayalam films industry is known for its intricate storytelling, delivering impactful cinema on relatively modest budgets. Loka stands tall in terms of story, dialogues, and situational humor. You're not watching an imitation of Hollywood capes and cowls, nor a laughable cheap knockoff. You're watching Malayalam cinema attempt something bold and actually pulling it off with heart. अब परम सुंदरी तो मुझे इतनी मिड लगी कि रिव्यू बनाने का भी मन नहीं है, तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, बाय।